Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I am back with this very elegant and simple mini album. This you can guess by the look of it, it's a feminine one. So before few weeks I did a masculine album, so I just thought I'll be doing a feminine too. And this turned out really cute, very beautiful, very elegant. It is simple but very elegant, a perfect gift for a girl or any female. You can give this to. So for I have made this in 6 by 6. The main pages are 6 by 6 and the cover of the album is 6.5 by 6.5, or I guess 6.25 by 6.25. So this is the front cover, and here I have made a frame, photo frame, and those are the cut aparts from the die cuts from the collection. I backed them on foam tape and added some bling here and there. And here you can see this one also I just popped it on some foam and added some brads. So that's I am me, I'm perfect limited edition. So that's the cover, and you can slide in a picture inside this frame. So, and this is the spine. Here is a name plate, you can put the name to whomever you are going to give this. And this is the back, nice paper. Okay, so I have not made any closure for this. I thought it's not important. So let's go inside, and here we open it up. So that is the first page, and I just kept it very simple. Start each day with a positive thought. Added some brands, and this is dimensional, and I have used this border die here and all over the album. So this is the first page, you can see. And here is a flap, and this is a magnetic flap, so it opens up like so. And here also you have some thoughts, and so this opens up my voice, my story, my life. So you can put a picture here, and also this is open, so you can slide in a nice big picture inside here, and closes up. And every page has this pull outs. So who am I, all about me. On each pull out, there on one side there is the little note, like you can write about yourself, or and you can put a nice picture on the back side. So that's that. On the next page there's a small waterfall. So it's like this, very simple. You can add pictures on both the side if you like, and you can also have a nice big picture here. So that's it. And here again we have a flap, nice border here. So it opens up, and this is plain for a nice big picture. And here I just made a pocket. So inside we have this beautiful tags. You can write here something and add little pictures on the back. So that goes in here, and this flap also opens up. And here we have find the blessing in everything, and this is open, so you can slide in a picture here and also here. Okay, so that's that. And here is the pull out for this page, dreams for the future, and the back is plain. On the second or third page we have a pocket here, says smile, and inside we have a photo mat, very simple photo mat. You can add pictures on the both sides. And here is a tag, You can journal on the back side of the tag. So it goes in here. And again we have this small flap. It is also magnetic. So today I choose happiness, and it opens up. And this also. So again, room for more pictures. This is open, so you can slide in your picture. And here is the pull out for this one. Okay, we move to the next page, and here I have made this boxed envelope. That means it's a little dimensional, as you can see. So you can put lots of pictures or many things inside. I have put some cutouts from the collection. So when you put your pictures in this album, after all the pictures have gone in, you can use this pullouts to like decorate your pictures. So I just, these were the left outs, so I thought I should include it in the album. So I just put it inside this little envelope here, and there's a nice little golden pearl. And so here's a belly band and a pocket, so you can see. And inside this we have this beautiful tag. Okay, and at the back of the belly again we have a photo mat, which is absolutely plain, to add your pictures. And you can also stuff more pictures inside the belly band. It can hold two to three more pictures there. So this goes at the back, and here is the pull out for this one. Okay, plain at the back. Moving on next, here is a triangular pocket, and this is a die cut from the collection. I just popped it on foam, and a nice tag and a photo mat again, plain on the back also. Here I use the border sticker die cut in the collection and made it into a belly band, added some blinks on both the side, and I use this sticker here, a strip to like to make a tension to hold your pictures inside, and inside is this mat and a tag. Okay, so it looks like this, and you can put it inside. You can put more pictures inside if you like. Okay, and here is the pull out for this. Okay, so here I have made this kind of swing like mat, swing photo mat, and this is a die cut flower from the collection. Again, this is dimensional, so I used a brad here, and so this can go like so, and you can add a picture here, and again you can add 2 to 3 smaller pictures or a big one here. And also if you do it like this way, then you have two more places to add your pictures or add some journaling if you want to. And on this side I just made a pocket, side pocket, and use some die cuts. Okay, so they are dimensional, and inside we have this tag and a photo mat. So that's here. Moving on next. Okay, so this is the pull out for this one. Moving on next, the last page, again I have used the die cut strip from the collection and made this two tags to keep inside. Here you can add some journaling and add a picture at the back. You can do it here also and put more pictures inside if you like. And that's the bag. Believe, achieve, and it's purely decorative. Added some blings here and there. Okay, so that's my little project for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed watching it. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. That means a lot to me. And I'll be back with some Valentine's Day projects soon. Okay, so bye bye for now.